Hello everyone. Once again welcome in our self-transformation series of today, that is 21st of July 2020. Yes, my dear friends, gradually, slowly, and by imbibing these thoughts daily, there is a transformation which you must be experiencing from past 1 month. The process is so simple that when we take a thought early morning, imbibe it in our thought level only and just leave it, then we see the drastic change happening within us. And this change is only possible since we have made the commitment that I want to see the change in me. So, today the topic which we have selected is be a detached observer. Yes, my dear friends, the topic which we have selected in today's series is that we have to be a detached observer. Why we want to be a detached observer? What is the role of a detached observer? And what benefit and how and where we are going to experience it? So we are coming here with all these thoughts which are coming in our mind, which will actually let me explore myself from very, very within. So my dear friends, here the topic is detached observer. Why we have to be detached? Because everywhere, whatever you are seeing today, whatever is happening in this world, there is crisis. The cries of distress is there. People are afraid of situation. There are so many who are crying, so many calling out loudly, so many are panicked. Now we have two situations. Number one, we also become like them and behave in the same way, or we have a right or a path to move to the other way. If we decided to move to the other way, then this feeling of detached observer will definitely going to help us. If we see this with an example, that whenever a doctor operates or give medicine or inject medicine in the patient, he does everything as a detached observer. He is not attached to the patient. If he is attached to the patient, he won't be able to put one cut on the body also, because attachment always leads us to think more and more deeply in our thoughts, and then we cannot perform well. Wherever there is attachment, you cannot perform well. You cannot do your best the way you want to do. So the thing here is, as a doctor, the doctor knows that I have to do my task and I can only be doing it if I am detached. Same way we have to see. We have to see this thing, that whatever is the situation going on in this world in today's time, whatever is a crisis or whatever is a cries of distress or whatever is the calling out of the people, but I have to be a detached observer like that doctor. Then only I can see the way out of it. All these scenes are not disturbing me. Since I am detached observer, I only see in every scene the victory, the ascending stage, not the descending one. I am ready to always advance, to move ahead with pleasure. As a detached observer, I not only work on my words but also work on my attitude. As a detached observer, I am here to work on my attitude as well as words. If we just have this thing in my thought that I will be a detached observer, and only on my words I am saying to everyone, yes, I am a detached observer, nothing is affecting me, I know the solutions will definitely come out, and that words are not being reflected in your action, So definitely nobody will listen to you, and you will be also feeling at time restless or disturbed. So my dear friends, whatever we imbibe in our thought level, it should be reflected in words as well as in our attitude. So if we have imbibed this thought that I will be a detached observer, wherein whatever is going on, but I will remain cool, I will behave smartly, I will think smartly, I am going to see and observe everything like a detached person, then you will see that happiness, then you will see that bliss, then you will see that all that cries which was around you is no more with you. And then you are the one who are giving the solutions to others. Now the question comes is why we want to give the solutions to others. My dear friends, we have to be always a Lord's server. Yes, we all are Lord's servant. And as a servant of God, our duty or task is to show the path to others, to guide them, to help them, to motivate them to live the life in a better way. And this is a noble, noble service which we all have to do. So, my dear friends, in this journey of today, behave like a detached observer. Guide, help others in a very detached way. Don't get attached to the situation. Forgive it and just in your thoughts, words, and action, get that thing completely been imbibed that yes, you are a detached observer. So today, imbibe this and see the change, see the lightness, see the bliss you will experience within you, and just share whatever is your feeling if you feel like in the comment box. So see you tomorrow with a new topic for the day wherein you will imbibe something new. Till then, be a detached observer. Thank you.